Hello, hello guys. Namaste. Baref, DAP, Akwaba. Akwaba did it right. Woo! Anyway, we have an HP laptop that is turning on, but there is nothing on the screen. Let's see what do we have. Let's press the power button. The fan is spinning. But we have nothing on the screen. Have the light, the LED. Okay. Remember I told you, whenever you are dealing with a machine that has no display, you have to press the caps lock and see if you're getting the caps lock. In this case, there was a caps lock. Now the caps lock is gone. Oof. Yep. Okay guys, you know what, let's do this. I've connected an HDMI because there is no display. Oh, there we go. It's loading. You can see it says please wait. Loading. Welcome HP workstation. Okay, now the question still remains, what is the issue? Why we have no display on the internal display? Okay, we have to ask ourselves why we have no display on the internal display. As you can see, it's blank, there's no display, but externally we have a display. As long as you have the caps lock, it means the machine working 100%. David, never forget that. Never fix a machine that is working. Now we have to check why there's no display on the internal screen. Number one, the LVDS cable can cause this. LVDS cable can cause this. A screen can cause this. What else? Maybe we might be having a display only to find that it's a dim display. Let's check that. And the dim display, even if you change the screen, on that screen you still have the dim display. Yep, because sometimes the dim display come from the board itself, or it can come from the cable. But in this case, I suspect an LVDS cable. But let's check. Let's see. Okay. Best way to check. Let's flip the machine. I can't even see. Flashlight, David. Let's use a flashlight. You have to use a flashlight. Let's use a flashlight. I'm gonna use a flashlight. Check for display. What is the issue? Turning on? Not this. What is it? Backlight. The machine is putting out. In this case, we have the caps lock. Since we have the caps lock, what's that? Yep, that's correct. And see, it shows on a. See, there we go. Then what might. Exactly. I think I told him this can't be an LVDS cable. It can't be anything. It can't be a backlight as well. But I need something. With this thing is connected. For sure. Alright guys, so what I think in this case let's just shut down the machine. Shuts down. Just wanna see. Shut down because I can't see a thing. I can't see a thing. Turning a light but I can't see it. But now we have to diagnose it correctly. Now if we if we try to remove the cable, we'll only to find that the issue is the backlight. So let's see first if it's not the backlight. But there's nothing wrong with it. I will say you can just give this video to your guy. But once you are done, so you will see that wrong. Sometimes they will think, ah, told them a dead thing. Okay, let's turn it on. Let's carefully observe. Getting, I can see the screen getting the data. Now I can't see. Yes, you can see that. But now, what about the information? Okay. Okay, it's fine. Let's disconnect this. Let's disconnect. Oh, be very careful when removing an LVDS cable while the battery is connected. Very careful, I'm telling you. But it's not 9. Realize it's not 9. Besides, you have 10 minutes after 9 to relax your mind. Chat with your girlfriend. Tell her that, and tell her that you love her so much. There we go. All right, guys. Anyway, it's working. The issue here is the LVDS cable. The LVDS cable. So we have to change an LVDS cable. Anyway, I hope you saw the steps how you diagnose any PC without any display. Before you go and say the board is damaged, please check the caps lock. Okay, check on an external monitor. Then if not, then otherwise you can conclude and say board damaged. Anyway, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.